Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. And today in this video I am going to show you how to improve your character or how to change the features in the face to get new character. But before jumping into the video, one request. Please like and share my videos, and if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell icon setting to all to get the notification. So now let's jump into the video.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
This is the face base I am doing, and now I'll put the eyes, eyebrows, nose and mouth, okay, and the ears as well. So this is the basic cartoon, or you can say simple cartoon I have designed for you to demonstrate few things. So this is one type of drawing I have done for you, and I can change some features to get a new character. Like if I'll change the eyes, let me show you first. Let me erase. I'll erase this and I'll bring the eyes from center to here and the eyebrows according to that. Okay, so see, before it was here and now it is in this area. So now this character you have is a new one, and there are many other ways to change your character and see whether it is up to the mark or not. Likewise, you can change the mouth position from this to this. Got it? You can do more changes like the nose here, okay, and if I'll draw one line over here, it will look like monkey. Got my point? There are other features like ears, which I can change from here to maybe here. These are cartoons, you can change it. You can change the position and create your own cartoon character. So this I'll demonstrate in other software, but I'll give you some other example as well. About hairs also, you can change the design of hairs, but for here I'll tell you a few things. You can use the simple eyes like this and the eyebrows like this, or else you can do this way, okay, or maybe this way. There are many more, but at beginning you can use this eye shape, and after then this, okay. For nose, if you are designing as a beginner, then you should use this nose or this nose. These are from front I am talking about. And what else? This also, suppose here eyes, okay, it is visible from one side. And mouth, very simple, only lines and this smiley one, okay. These type of mouths. I have uploaded one video where I have explained all the parts like eyes, nose, mouth, how you have to draw these things. I think I have some separate videos for each part like eyes, nose, mouth, ears, even neck, hands. So you can go and watch those videos. If possible, I will put the link below in my description box. So go and watch those things, and you can change your character or you can manipulate the character as you like. I already have some drawing, and I'll change the character by changing the parts on the face. So let's go and see. So here we are on different software, and I want to show you how we can change the character by changing the parts like eyes, nose, mouth, ears on the face, and we can change our character. So here I am going to show you how to change your character by changing the placement of the parts. So let's begin. So here you can see I have 6 identical faces, and I am going to manipulate, or I am going to change the parts, and you'll see how the character is totally changed. I have taken very simple shapes to design this character, like circle I have used here as the base of the face, and the ears, eyes, pupil, and nose I have oval, and this one you can see a semicircle, you can say, and the rectangle, two rectangles. Okay, So it's very simple and it's easy to demonstrate. That's why I have taken these shapes. You can also design your character by using some shapes. If you want a separate video on how to design your character by using the shapes, then please comment below so that I can prepare that video and upload for you all. So now let's come into our video and see how I'm changing. So for reference, I'm keeping this face intact and I'll do all the changes from starting from here to this. Okay, so let me change few things. Like this, I'm doing the second one. I'll bring the eyes closer and the eyebrows as well. See, this character is different than this. Okay, so what I did here, I have placed the eyes closer to each other, but here what I'll do, I'll change the position from here to maybe here. Okay, got it. And now what I'll do with this, I'll keep the face like this and I'll change the ear. And the mouth as well. I'll bring it little down, maybe more. We need to see whether it is working or not. Or you can, like, it's not like I have to bring up to this only. You can change it to down as well. You need to see the face if it is working or not. Okay. And for this, what I'll do, I'll take the eye a little up and nose also up. This is different. And ear to this area. Okay. It is somewhat looks like bear or monkey, you can say. You can change some shapes and it will look as animal character. And here what I'll do, I'll take these eyes to up and close. Eyebrows maybe here. Let me tell you one more thing. Here what I am doing, I am changing the eyes, not the eyebrows. Keep in mind, if you are changing the eyebrows and you are telling that this is my new character, that is wrong. Because eyebrows, if you are changing without changing the eye placement, then it is the expression, not the new character. If you will change this, you'll see it will look different, but this is the same character. It is only changing the expression. So that you should keep in mind. Okay. And here I'll change the nose and this. See, it is looking like fat character. If I'll draw a shoulder from here and here, it will look exactly a fat character. So in every cases, you can see the character is different from each other. You need to improvise it, you need to change it, you need to improve your character by drawing some lines. Like suppose you need to change the nose to this, to somewhat, I'll tell you, somewhat like this. So you can see if I'll change the nose like this, it is also a different character. So this is a basic thing I have told you. You can use it as a base, and after then you can change some things like the nose, the shape of the eyes. I have told you in my previous part of this video. So you can go through those things like changing the nose shape or changing the ears. Like if you want, you can change like this. So you can do that also. And adding the beard or hairs, like if I will add some line from here to here and this part full beard, then it will look different. But this is the same character I have taken from the first one. And now if I'll add the hairs, you can see this is different. And if I'll take this to this, see it is also looking different. And you can change the hairstyle as well if you want. So likewise, you can do your own character simply changing the parts on the face like eyes, nose, mouth, ears, even hairs also. So to give you some more example, I'll draw one character and I'll change with that character and I'll put some different type of eyes, maybe different type of nose or different type of mouth, and see whether I'm looking different or not. Okay, but I'll keep the base of the face same. So first I'll put the nose over here. This is the 3/4 one. You can place the eyes like this and the eyebrows like this. Simply I'm doing to give you an idea. And the neck I'm completing over here, and mouth I'm keeping over here. Okay. I'm adding the hairs over here. So this is the character I have designed. And what else I can do with this character, I'll see. But let me tell you, the eyes I have used over here is the simple eye, and that is closer. If I want, I can make it little wider along with the eyebrow. I'll place it over here. Okay, but this is the basic one I'm using, and the another eyes you can use is like this. Okay, this is not clear, so I'm doing the rough only to make you understand. I hope you will get my point with this rough one. Tell me if you want the clear drawing, I will do that also for you, but it will take more time, and by this I hope you can understand all the things I'm going to explain you. So I'll add the eyebrows more thick. One more thing I forgot to tell you in the previous part, that you can change the eyebrows also. Like if it is simple, you can put this line. Second, you can put like this also to give it a thick eyebrow, and you can change that also. But this is a minor change, you know. You can do like this also. So see, if you want, you can use any of them. For nose, if I'll go for this one. See, this one. Before it was like this. Or for mouth, if I'll go, I can do this type with lips, but it will look a bit like female if I'll add some eyelashes, you know, like this. It will look female. Okay, one more character I want to draw like this, and see here I have kept the ears little above the normal, and first I'll add nose, the eyes, eyeballs and mouth. Yeah, this is the base drawing I have done for you, and now I will change it. Let me copy it first. So this is the character I have done, and this is the base drawing. I'll change eyes, maybe nose or mouth, and I'll show you how this character will change to a different character. Okay, so here I'm going to erase the eyes, nose and mouth, and I'll change these things. So you can see the character is changed right now to this, and I have done only the eye changes, nose and mouth I kept it like this. If you want, you can add some accessories like glasses. Like this you can do some changes. I think you have got my point, and in your drawings you can implement these type of tips and improve your drawing, and you can make more character designing of your own. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, to subscribe my channel with the bell icon and set it to all to get the notification as soon as I upload any videos. So stay tuned for my next video. Take care and bye bye.